Building a $25,000 business on Amazon KDP is achievable with the right strategies and effort. Whether new or experienced, this guide will help you scale. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. Use tools like Publisher Rocket to find high-demand niches. Consider nonfiction and low-content books. Step 2. Create high-quality content. Nonfiction should solve problems, while fiction should have engaging characters. Use Canva for low-content books. Step 3. Publish multiple books. Start with 3 to 5 books in 6 months and consider publishing a series for repeat buyers. Step 4. Design professional book covers. Use Canva or hire a designer. Your cover should be clean and appealing to the target audience. Step 5. Optimize your listings. Use keywords in titles and write compelling descriptions. Choose 7 relevant keywords for each book. Step 6. Leverage Amazon ads to boost sales. Start with a small budget and refine your ad strategy based on performance. Step 7. Promote through social media and email marketing. Engage readers on platforms like Instagram and build an email list with free content. Step 8. Scale with print and audiobooks. Use print-on-demand services and convert ebooks to audiobooks to increase income. Step 9. Monitor and optimize performance. Regularly analyze KDP reports to identify best-selling books and adjust strategy accordingly. Step 10. Outsource and automate tasks. Hire freelancers and use tools like BookBolt to streamline processes and scale faster. By selecting the right niches and optimizing your listings, reaching $25,000 with KDP is possible. Build your audience and remain consistent.